Upper Teton boondocking location in the Campendium app is one of the top rated boondocking sites on the entire website. It is very intense finding a camp spot.
The roads aren't a big deal if you were in like a SUV, a 4x4 or something, but you're in a 30-foot motorhome.
You're going over a tree right now.
I know. Well, it's still a truck. Rough getting up here. The road was not great by any means, and now that we're finally like out of the desert and into the woods, it's kind of weird because we've been seeing all these bear warnings and everything. And then here, come check this out real quick. Just the little bear-proof storage box that's making it real. So now we have to start being careful with Pepper, and we have to get some bear spray, some bear bangers, something to protect against bears while we're in the Great North. Allison put me a little bit on the spot because I'm supposed to explain what we're doing the next few days. But really, like...
And he doesn't know. That's the problem. He doesn't know what we're doing.
It's supposed to rain a bunch this week, so it's probably going to be pretty miserable. Now all of a sudden it's cold again. You can see my New Zealand Kmart vest is back out from underneath the bed. Like, I know we're going to Yellowstone in the next 5 days, and then we're going boop, 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 boop.
If anyone had any questions, that's why you're usually looking at my face and like listening to me tell the story.
I'm the color commentary.
Oh my gosh, we just saw a sign for buffalo, and I think that they're way out in that field.
Those might just be cows, babe.
I think those are just cows. Came in through the park entrance. If there's anything in the US that needs to have less paper and is less environmentally friendly, it's the national park system, I tell you. But I do like reading all of the stuff, and then like look at this tidbit of information. Tim, moose most commonly feed on willows. They dive up to 18 feet deep and stay underwater up to a minute to feed on aquatic plants.
I very much doubt that fact.
Well, there's a picture of a moose in a water, so...
In a water?
In a water. View all wildlife from a safe distance and respect their need for space. People too close to wildlife risk serious harm when animals what? Be bear aware. Oh, I thought it was a real bear, not another bear sign. Now I've dropped my map. Okay, we're in the Tetons. We're doing it. It's happening.
Bear aware.
We stopped for our picnic today, and we're being bear aware by checking out the scene before we open up our food containers. Come be bear aware with me. One way to be bear aware is stomping your feet on the rocks. Well, I haven't yet seen a moose come out of the water. Another safety precaution we took on our 2-hour canoe trip was plenty of warm clothing. I came with my snowboarding hoodie, a fleece-lined winter jacket, snowboarding gloves for both of us, plenty of water, a coconut LaCroix, chips and guac, a buff, and SPF 50, a GoPro to capture these incredible memories. If we're stranded here on this canoe, I think we'll make it until February 3rd.
It's important when you're being bear aware that you have a plan in case you become aware of a bear.
If the bear's approaching from back here, which is the likely case, we drop everything. We bring the camera. Canoe.
My plan is a lot simpler than that. There's no we. I'm going to run. You'll be on the beach with the bear still. And then if the bear chases me into the water,
yeah,
I will swim by a submerged moose. Bear Bearware!
Now, after lunch, we've made the decision to have our Instagram moment. We're getting prepared for the shot, but we only have what we have. If we were true Instagrammers, we would have an Aztec padded blanket, a cup of hot chocolate, a paperback novel, and a golden retriever puppy. I don't have any of those things right now, but we're gonna make it work.
We saw it all. Just a 2-hour rental, no motor. Besides this diesel back here, we saw everything there was to see. I pretty much could have paddled us up Grand Teton back there.
Were you bear aware though?
I didn't have to be. We specialize here. When we're in the RV, I drive, Allison does directions in the canoe. Diesel motor, bear aware.
Chips and guac.